lasso tu dici. Ta trashi delek. Ni ya susi lo nala in. Trashi delek susi lo nala.
Tashidele, how do we call you? Los Ankelden
Oh,
teacher? What's the way to call you?
this is actually my younger brother's name.
Oh, so who are you?
Ale.
Let's see. Wait. I can say, Kong, I don't know, conjure.
No, no problem. Kongsure, we say this for third person.
Yeah, well, for
No,
you,
no problem. You can say Kerang Suyin. That's it. We will learn this. Hakosuma. Okay.
Kera, is your name Keran Sujin?
No, that's how you ask the question.
Ah,
Kerang Suyin. Like this.
uh,
Nghe Ming La. Tenzin Yin. Nghe Ming Tenzin Yin. Tenzin. Hmm?
ten,
Tenzin namını
ten,
bilgi. Tenzin Tösam. Tösam. Right? Tösam gum.
Tenzin,
Like this. Simple.
Tenzin.
Hmm? Hear, think, and practice. Tösam gum. Hmm? Right? Oh, Ming dire. So I wouldn't say I am Tösam. I would say my name is Tösam. That's that's how I will say. Hmm? Hmm. Instead of saying I am Thosam like this. Hmm? Okay? Lasso. Ini trashi derek Susila. Yeah. Susila. Ditang di karere. Ditang di karere.
Um, di tang di lugre,
Hmm. Ah. Ditang di ra marepe.
mare. Di tang di ra mare. Di tang di lugre.
Beyawa. That's it. Ah, le. Lasso, lasso. Ani ditang di chikpa repe.
Yeah. Re, chi tang di chikpare.
That's it. Di thang di chikpa re. Bea wasung sung. Very good. Hmm? Bea wasung sung. Lasso. Tene ya. Tujiche. Susila. Tene Adam la inda. Adam la. Hmm. Adam la. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare, ditang di jigpamare, di lucre ane sare, rare.
That's it. Di look re. Ani di rare. Like this. Bea. Hmm. Ale. Di thang di. Lamborghini Marepe.
Mare, ditang di Lamborghini mare,
Lasso. Di thang di Semchen Repe.
re, ditang di semchen re.
That's it. Fail. Fail. Song song. Tujiche Adam la.
So,
Lasso. Tene dawala in. Dawala. Tashidelek.
Taşıcılık,
Dawala di karere.
taşıcılık. Ji khang re,
Kangpa re. Yanker sung
ji
sung.
khang pa re,
Fail.
ji khang pa re,
Di karere.
ji khur re,
Ah.
ji khur re,
Di thep Marepe.
mare, ji tep mare, ji khur re,
Ah, le. Lasso. Lasso. Ani di thang di chikpa repe.
ji tan ji chik pa mare, khepar re,
Kebar re. 빼요. Or Mindra Re, you can say.
Mangiare. Gitangi mangiare.
빼요. 빼요. 순서. 투지체. 나war라 투지체. 드네야
Tudice.
이모겐라 투지체. 이모겐라 다시델렉.
Presidele.
다시델렉 이모겐라. 디탕 디 카리레.
Ditang metok re.
디탕 디 카리레.
Ditang di metok re.
That's it. 디탕 디 메토. 아, 디탕 디 메 마르베.
Mare. Ditang me mare.
That's it.
Um,
하고승아 디탕 디메 마레 메톡 레. Like this. That's how you can. 하고승아. Did you understand? 디탕 디.
ditang di metok re. Ditang di me mare.
That's it. 하고승아. This and this. 디탕.
Tujiche.
빼하고 숭숭. 두지치. 라소. 아니
Tujiche.
두지치 이모겐라. 아니 미킬라인다 미킬라. 미킬라 트라시델렉. 디탕 디 카리레.
Oh, I really don't understand. I missed 4 courses. I'm only catching up, like one yesterday. So I'm just listening, but I can't really participate in the talk part.
Yes, no problem, Mikila. There is a video in the folder, so you can watch order in order.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm catching up in order. Yeah,
That's it. That's
but I'm
very
not there yet.
No problem. You can enjoy listening the sound and
Yes,
guess. You are?
okay.
Like this. Well, thank you, Mikila. So, sonam drogala touch the lake.
Presidele.
Sonam drogala ditang di karere.
Ditang di yore.
You re.
Yure.
Ruwa peyago. Ditang di metok marbe.
Ditang di metok mare. Mare ditang di metok mare. Yure.
Peyago. Ditang di chikbarebe.
Mare. Chikpa mare. No, re. Chik mare. Ditang di chik mare.
Chikpa re.
Chikpa re.
That's it. Ditang di chikpa re. That's it. 빼하고 sonso. 도지체 sonam drogala.
Presidele.
Dineya franquesla. Tashi
Ay, Presidele.
delek.
Presidele.
So, sorry, I read your name wrong.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's like that. Thank you. Like that. No problem.
franquesla. Di karire.
Differere, if I remember, is me. Is it me?
Di
Okay.
re.
Ka. Ka. Yeah. Di ka re.
빼하고. Di karire.
Di mik re.
Di mik re. 빼하고.
Di mik re.
아니 franquesla. Ditang chikpa re pe.
Mare. Di chikpa mare.
Di tang.
Di kak. Di tang di 카카레.
카카레.
믹. 카카레. 디 믹레.
빼하고. 오야, 야고, very good try.
Thank you.
Conquest la 빼하고 손수. 라소, 되네야. 치밀라인다, 치밀라. 다시 달렉. 치밀라, 응?
Chimila.
다시 달렉, 치밀라. 치밀라, 디 카레레,
Di lucrela.
디 카레레.
Di la quale.
디탕, 디 직바레 빼.
Di mi chico mare di sosorela.
올라서. 디, 믹 마레 빼.
Di nic mare di la quale.
올라서. 빼하고 손송. 부지체, 치밀라.
Cosa c'è là?
라소. 네야, 팡팡라인다, 팡팡라.
La,
팡팡라. Can you spell out this? 디 카레레.
di, look, le.
빼하고.
La, chapu, look.
빼하고. 디 루그레스. 디 카레레.
Di, lạc ba le. Di lạc ba le.
숭당, 박차. 스펠링.
Okay. La, ka, lak, pa.
빼하고. 라카, 락, 빠. 락빠. Like this. 빼하고 숭숭. 팡팡라, 두지치. Like this, we can also try in the mute. 하고 숭아. Practice it. 야, परमेश्वरीला인다. परमेश्वरीला. 다시 delek. परमेश्वरीला, 디 카레레.
Tashi de le. Di, mik, re.
빼하고. 아니, 미키 스펠링 숭로나. You wanna try spelling?
Magi gumi, kamik.
빼하고. 마키고미. That's it. 빼하고.
Kamik.
아니, परमेश्वरीला, 디 탕, 디 직바레 빼.
Di tang di chikpa mare.
That's it.
Di lakpare. Ani di mikre.
빼하고. 디 미그레스. That's it. Very good. 빼하고 숭숭. परमेश्वरीला. 투지치. 아또. 되네야, 루윤라, 다시 delek.
다시 들래.
다시 delek, 루윤라. 니, 디 카레레, 루윤라.
디 로마레.
빼하고. 디, 리 마르페.
마레. 디 리 마레. 로마레.
빼하고. 네. 디 카레레.
디 목모레.
네. 목목탕, 피자, 직바레페.
마레. 직파 마레.
목목탕.
모목탕 피자 직파 마레.
빼하고, 숭숭. 되네야, 계란키, 목목, 스펠링, 숭로난.
나로 모카목. 나로 모카목. 목목.
빼하고, 목목. 빼하고, 숭숭, 두지치. 루윤라 빼하고, 숭숭, 두지치. 라수. 올라수. Like this. 하고, 숭아. 되네데야. 수시라인다. This spelling 숭당.
Loma.
음.
La narolo ma loma.
빼하고. That's it. 빼하고, 숭숭. 야, 이모겐라인다. 이모겐라. 디 카레레.
Hi, sorry, I don't have my book. I have to buy a new book. I'm at work, so I don't have it with me.
No problem. Then you can ask me. Di karere. Try this. You can ask Di
I can't remember.
Hmm?
Okay. Di carere.
Di lam re.
Lam.
That's it. Di lam re.
Lamre.
Hmm?
Giudice.
That's it.
So
Takcha. La ma lam. That's it.
lam.
Agosma.
Thank you.
You may have heard a scripture book, Lamrin Chemo. That's lam, same path or road or path. Agosma. Lamrin Chemo. Yoruba. Like this. Agosma ta lam. Pe agosma. Hola. That's it. Now we know di karere, te karere. Then we know kong sure, ko sure, mo sure. For example, we have here, Adam lain, Trashidalek. Adam la kong sure.
Kong Michael Jackson re.
Michael Jackson pure pumore.
Michael Jackson pure.
Ale. Michael Jackson LGBTQ marupe.
Mare. Michael Jackson dubious re.
Like this. We are practicing. Like this. Like this. Kong Su Re. Kong Michael Jackson Re. Not only with the name, you can identify with the gender. Kong Pure. Kong Pumure. You can also identify with the occupation. Kong Gegen Re. Loptruk Re. Kong engineer Re. Kong scientist Re. Like this. Okay? Fair. That's it. So when we learned about how to say Kong Michael Jackson Ray, we can also use other sentence like this. Wide range. How goes ma? Like this. Okay? Dedwa Kong Sure. Like this. Kong Michael Jackson Ray. Tuji che Adam la. Lasso. Alas. Yeah, that didn't tap down you go. Ready with the book and pen, Rua? Let's practice some hearing practice. How goes, ma? Okay? I will say the spelling. Let's see if you hear it right. Okay? Dongpa, dongpa, face, dongpa. Kao, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dongpa. Like this. Okay? Kao, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dong pa. Some people say kao for prefix ka, or you can just say ka, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, like this. Okay, now let's check whether we heard it right. Kao, ha, naru, do, nga, dong, pa, like this. How goes, nga? If you got it right, very well. Then Yimala got it right. So, like this. If made mistake, correct it and focus on what you didn't hear well. Hear right. Akosunga. Like this. Dongpa. Kao ta naru do nga dongpa. Dongpa. Asian dongpa. This is what? Asian dongpa. What? European dongpa. American dongpa. Yoruba dongpa drum indra. So, oh yeah, tadi so tadi kapar 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 kah pa ra par kapar kah pa ra par kapar. That's, oh yeah, Nimala. Oh yeah, what is it? Kah pa ra par kapar. Like this. Okay, so I'm gonna write down here now. Let's see. Kah. If you see this, we know this is a category. Right? Pa, ra, par, kapar. Now you can say to mobile phone, this phone, every phone. Agosuma. De, di, kapar re. Like this. Di, Samsung kapar re. Agosuma. Di, Nokia kapar re. Di, Samsung kapar re. Di, Apple kapar re. Right? Di Motorola kapar re. Anything. So kapar tring tring kapar. Tadene de this earring. Earring. So, hola, so tujiche, similar. Before we move forward, if we look at here, if we break down the kapar, we know kah as a mouth. Here. Agosuma. Para par is a photo. Mouth photo. That's it. Kapar. Like this. Agosuma. You can see there are many photos here. Diparre. 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 There are many picture, photo here also. Agosuma. So kapar, telephone. Tring tring or mobile phone. Agosuma. That's it. Kapar. From body part, we have already mik, kah, we have kah. Then we had so, so, sa, not a so. We had so already, right? Like this. From body part, we have mik, so, kah. Like this. Okay. Then we have new word here. This earring. It should be round. Earring. This earring. Long. Along. Like along. La, naro, lo, nga, long. Along. La, naro, lo, nga, long. Along. 빼고. 아! 라, 나로, 로, 나, 롱, 알롱. That's it. 오야. 야, 다 튀긴다. 아! 라, 나로, 로, 나, 롱, 알롱. Like this. 빼고. We have to work a little bit harder now because this is very basic and basic is most important. Agosuna. After this, you don't have to work hard as basic. A1, A2 level, very easy. Just speaking, talking, reading. Agosuna. Like this. So please put little bit effort in the basic. Pronunciation, how to read them, like this. Along. We have along here. Oh yeah. Tadi the branch redwa. Yeah, inda. Yel ka. Yel ka. Yel ka. Yel ka. Ya la yel. Ya la yel ka. Yel ka. Ya la yel ka. Yel ka. Ya la yel ka. Yel ka. Paso. Ya la yel ka. Yel ka. 야, 다 튀긴다. 야, 라, 옐, 가, 옐, 가. 응? 오야, 옐, 가. 좋아. 다 디펠레일 하보래. 야, 수시 루나라인다. 디 가르래.
Di yakre.
야구송송, 빼고. 야, 루윤라인다. 루윤라. 디 가르래.
The yak ray.
빼고, 빼고. Very good pronunciation. 약. 하고서 약, not 약. 약. 하고서 빼고. 약. If I say only yak, it will be ya, ka, yak, right? But this is not yak. 하고서 I said yak, and there must be prefix or something on the top. Otherwise, the sound don't change to higher here. Right? Yak. Now the spelling. Khâu, ya, kha, yak. Khâu, ya, kha, yak. 하고서 now you see the effect of prefix. The ya became ya, like this. 올라서 다 튀긴다. khâu, ya, kha, yak. 빼고 funktion 도대체 약 좋아 다 되네 돼 Ngangpa, ngangpa, ngangpa. Quack, 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 quack. Rồi ba? Ngangpa, ngangpa, ngangpa. 야, 특이인다. nga, nga, ngang, pa, ngang pa, nga, nga, ngang, pa, ngang pa, nga, nga, ngang, pa, ngang pa. Oh yeah, 다 특이인다. 야, nga, nga, ngang, 하고 승아, nga, nga, ngang, pa, ngang pa. 올라. 니 케데레넬라인다 야. 베시델레 케데레넬라.
Considérez.
베시델레 케데레넬라. 디탕 디치과리페.
Sorry, 1 second. I'm having audio
알레.
difficulty. Ah, okay.
디탕
Ngangpa?
디치과리페.
Hagomosong, can you say Youngjar again?
디탕 디치과리페.
Jitong Chikparepe. I'm sorry, I don't understand the question.
Well, no problem.
This is
Repe. Same 디탕 디
oh
same repe. 디탕
oh
치과리페.
Ditang Chikpamare.
디탕 디 치과마레. 하고 승아. 라스.
Ditang Chikpamare. Hagosong.
디탕 마레. 디탕 디. This and this. 그봐.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
몰라. 디탕 디
Yeah.
치과마레. 하고 승아. 라소 투지치.
Hagosong. Hagosong. Tojichi.
투지치 카트리나라. 라소. Oh yeah. So now we see here how we did. Ruwa, if you did it almost most of them right, you have a good pronunciation. Also, you have a good hearing. So don't worry about which prefix it is like this. Don't worry about this. Even Tibetan people don't know this. Which prefix go when. This is just know there is a prefix when there is a change in sound. Okay? For example, we hear when I say dongpa, dong, it's da, dong. Then when does it become the? There is a prefix or superscript. Like this. You can imagine like this. That's it. That's it. Then rest of them, you just need to know properly. When I say kapar, you won't write ka par, right? So see, they look similar but sound totally different, different category. When I say kapar, you won't write kapar. You will know ka and ha, totally different. Then you will know this. Like this kind of difference, you notice, then it's good. Three root sound and its categories. Hola, so, pero. Not only reading in the try chetan. Yeah. Sonam dogala ya. Tilokta.
Ha, ka, naru, ko, hok, ko, ko, ha, ka, naru, ko.
Ani?
Sa, naru, nga,
Sa, naru, so, nga.
no, son,
Son.
son, na, sa, nos, ne,
Nge.
ne,
Then all together.
son, ne.
Then all together.
Go, son, re, son, ne, go, son, ne.
Then add here ha also.
Ha, go, son, ne.
That's it.
Sorry.
Very good try. Very good. We are doing it first time without me telling you. Ha ko song e. Very good. Song. Now we are learning new question. Ha ko song e. Ha ko song e. Understood? Or do you know? Did you know? Ha ko song. It will mean both of these. Ha ko song e. Ha 가나로 고, 사나로 소, 나 송, 나 사, 니, 하 고송이. Right? Okay? Then answer very simple. Just say 하 고송. That's it. 하 고송. 하 고송.
하 고송해.
하 고송. Right? Okay? New question. We have learned di karere.
What's the meaning of that question again?
Oh, did you understood? In the past tense. Understood? Understood?
Oh, thank you.
Like this. Very common, Rava. I say this a lot. All also, ha kosonge, like this. Rava. Rinpoche and La, they also use this, but in a different way. She songwe. Like this. You might have heard this. Maybe you will hear in the future also. She songwe. Like this. Rava. Ha kosonge. She songwe. To know, to understand. So, tade, len, hakosong or hakomasong, negative. Okay? Hakosong, ping, or hakomasong. Oh, hakomasong. Di karere, hakomasong. Right? Hakosong, hakomasong. So it's in the past tense, okay? Did you understood? Sorry, my English is not good. Don't rely on my English. Past tense. I mean. Hakosongi, hakosong, hakomasong. So, yeah, tene practice in the practice. Yeah. Fang la in the fang la. Fang la. Kongsure.
I don't know. Hakuma Sung.
That's it. 콩수레.
하쿠마송.
Oh, 콩 마리아레. Like this. Just I'm making it up. How goes now? We are practicing Hakuma song here. Okay? Hmm? Like this. Yeah, 이모겐라인다. 이모겐라. 이모겐라 콩수레.
Kung uh um Kung Gegen Ray
Yes, if you know, you can say 콩게겐레. If you don't know, then
Hagumason.
that's it. Hakuma song.
하코마송.
That's it.
Thank you.
That's it. All that. 두지치. Okay? Hmm? 하코송이, 하코마송, 하코송. Then if you don't know, you can ask 디 카리레, 데 카리레. Or if you don't know a specific word, hako, then you know how to ask this. Hako labna karere. Mik labna karere. We learned this before, how to ask this. Hmm? What is called mik, or what is mean by mik? Mik labna karere. Hako labna karere. Or di karere. Te karere. Okay? Hmm?
Is Hako the same like Lapna?
No. Hmm?
No? Mm.
Hmm? Ah, yeah, tene Adam inda Adam la dash derek. Adam la di karire.
Tostelig di nangbare.
Ale di look marbe.
Mare di look mare di nangbare.
Ah, di dinosaur marbe.
Mare mare. Di nangbare.
Di ngangbare. Like this. We can have conversation like this already. Agos nga. Hmm? Fair.
Genla, can I ask a question?
Yes, please. Sometime.
So the duck, it sounds like Nangpa. What is the word for Buddhist though in Tibetan, no? It
That's
seems
that's
similar though.
that's nangpa. Nang.
Nangpa.
Hmm?
Okay.
So that's now. We didn't learn this yet, I think.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Che.
Nangpa. That's it.
Nangpa.
That's it. So generally translated as Buddhist, but literally means one who goes inside. Nangpa, like this.
Nangpa.
Nang, inside. Pa is the ER. The one who goes inside is Nangpa. That's it. So it is not cult or religion. It is just a description of view or
Che Genla.
action. Right? Hmm? 두지치. 맞죠? Thank you. Hmm? Okay. Tadi ngangpa hago nga di ngangpare. Huh? Ngangpa. Okay. Yeah, tene di in the Francois latang dawalain.
Yeah.
Hmm? Di
Okay.
Francois lain di
Oh,
dawalain. Hmm?
okay.
Hola.
Okay. Di carrere.
Di dawala di Francois la rwa. Tungtang.
Di carrere.
Di karere.
Hakomason.
Hmm?
Ti ngang pare.
Ale, ta hakoson.
Where? Ale, ta, hakoson. So here, ta is the shortcut of now. Ta. Now, hakoson. Like, okay? So ale is like, there is no meaning. Ale, oh, like this. Just like that, ani has no meaning, but we use it in the speaking language. And when do we use it? We use it at the starting as an end. And sometimes different purpose, but end right now. Like this. So same like ale, like this. There is no meaning of achoo, achoo, like this. There is no meaning. But when we write down, we have to spell it. Ta, ta hakosong.
Ta hakoson.
Ta shortcut of tata, tata. Ta hakosong. There we go. So,
Ale, ta hakoson.
yeah, nampak. Hakosong. Lasso. Any Miki Ladek la inda. Can you wanna just read it? Or you wanna try a little bit reading?
Okay. Di, ka, re.
Fail. Hakoma song. Hakoma song.
Akumason. Di, nang, pa, re.
Fail.
Di nang pare.
Ale. Ta hakosong. So I notice when you say nga, you don't
Na.
bite your tongue. You don't bite your tongue. Nga, leave the tongue. Stay on the bottom of the mouth. Open the mouth. And from the throat. Nga, nga, nga. That's it. That's nga. Then nga, ngang. That's it.
Na.
Don't touch your tongue on the top of the mouth when you say this ngang, ngang. I can see your tongue going back. If you touch your tongue
Na.
up, it sounds like a na, like a n, but it's not n. It's nga, nga, anga, anga, nga.
Ang.
Like this.
Na.
Ngangpa.
Lasso.
It will not come immediately.
No.
You have to practice it. Okay? That's
Okay.
Tujiche. And rest of us, if we have a same problem pronouncing nga, I just showed you. Nga, nga. Close the throat and release it. Nga, nga, like this. Nga, ngangpa. Hola, so. Yeah, today we have some fill in the blank, but you can finish the sentence. See if you can do it. Ruyunla in the Ruyunla thang sonam dorkarla. Di Ruyunla in di sonam dorkarla in.
Di carrere.
Yeah.
하고 마송. Di 약re.
Yeah.
Ale de 학son.
Te mare tha. It's just tha here.
Ale da 하고송.
That's it. Ale ta hakosong. Like this.
알레타 하고송.
배하고로송 두지치. Just like this. We are practicing. 하고송아. 야, 이용라인다. 이용라 당, 캐터리나 라인. 올랐어. 디 캐터리나 라인, 디 이용 라인.
I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. Di Yong Lain.
I'm saying 디 캐터리나, 디 이용 인. 좋아? 야, 캐터리나, this is you. This is
Okay.
이용라.
Okay.
로로나.
Di Karere
빼요.
Hagomasong.
No. One by one.
Oh, just one at a time. Oh, okay. Di Karere.
하코마송.
빼요.
Di Agre.
아래. 타. 하코송.
That's it. That's it. 빼고. 수지치 캐테르나 당 이용라. Just like that. 좋아? Don't matter if you read slow now. If you know how to slow, fast, you already know. 하고송아. Just a time practice. That's it. 빼야불러서. Good pronunciation. Very good. 라소. 아네. Yeah. Here's some question answers here. Let's read them first. Let's read all the question first. Then we will read the answer also. That's all. Then yeah, come on, go. 1 minute, please. Thank you very much. That's all. 야, 다디 로가인다. 수시 루나라 딜로타, 야.
하고송에.
왜요? 하코송이, like this.
하고송에.
ini 딜로타, 야.
부. 드레부. 드레부 모레.
불에, 부모래, like this.
부레. 부모레.
Like this.
음.
Michael Jackson, 불에, 부모래. Or LGBT 래. Like this. That question.
네.
Donald Trump, 불에, 부모래.
그래.
좋아. 예. 야, 불렀어. 파미시릴라인다. 파미시릴라. 딜로로나. 뮤트 레도 파미시릴라.
Okay, my mouse was not working. Chikpa repe.
Chikpa repe. We know this question. Chikparepe. Like this. Ruwa. Tene dilo.
Chikparepe.
Hmm?
Den Denlane. Denlapne. Denlapna.
That's it. Den lapna. Karere.
Denlapna.
Like
Denlapna.
빼고. 그렇지. 범미시리라. Den lapna karere. Or mik lapna karere. Then we answer. Mik lapna dire. We pointed it. Like this. Ruwa. Earphone lapna dire. Like this. How goes one? Dimik. Dimik. Ki labna dire. Dimik labna dire. Right? So that's one way of asking question. Ruwa? That's it. Then we have here te karere. Not di karere. Te karere. Right? Ruwa? Te karere. And the answers are on the here. And we know. I will read it here. Ruwa? Re. Chikpa re. Then we have Den Labna Di Re. Te You Re. Hakumasan.
Another club. Clean. Next place.
Hello. ठीक है मैं आ रहा हूँ. Thank you. Okay, my some delivery came. Very sorry. Wah, hola so. Dade, te yuri. Hakoma song. Hakosong we. Hakoma song. Like, or pumu mare. Puri. Michael Jackson. Pumu mare. Puri. Donald Trump. Pumu mare. Puri. Hillary Clinton. Pumare. Pumure. Like this. How goes one? Like this. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. I had to go pick up something, Lasso. And that's it for today. Tujiche. Tashidale.
Tujiche again, Ma.
Thank you.
Yes. Lasso. And Tujiche. Bye-bye.
Jema Jillion.
Jema Jeyon.